What if your next viral breakout is hiding in a single 60-minute video? Short-form platforms will account for 82% of global internet traffic by year's end. TikTok, Reels, and Shorts are the fastest lanes to attention economics in 2024. Ignore atomization, and you'll watch budgets collapse while rivals flood every feed. Gary Vaynerchuk proved one pillar clip can spawn 30 micro-content pieces in minutes. Now, AI workflows in 2024 drive that ratio to 1 to 100. That means a single deep dive video can explode into over 100 posts across channels. HubSpot data shows 82% of marketers repurpose content across platforms for frequency. The Content Marketing Institute says repurposing boosts output by 300%, saves 12+ hours weekly. Producing a pro-level video costs $1,000 to $5,000, but atomization slashes cost per post to $10. Wiseall's survey reports 91% of businesses use video, 70% of top B2B brands multi-channel. Adobe's Firefly in Premiere Pro unlocks text-based editing, generates hundreds of captions instantly. Ahrefs research shows SEO-optimized video transcripts can boost organic traffic by up to 106%. Multimodal AI in Descript can create audiograms and image quotes with a single click. Hormozy slices one deep dive video weekly into dozens of hooks, generating over 500 million views. The pillar video is your content goldmine, not just a standalone asset. Identify every teachable moment inside that hour-long session. Timestamp them relentlessly. Use Adobe Firefly to transcribe and extract 98% accurate segments automatically. Plug clips into OpusClip or Munch. Turn 1 minute of content into multiple bytes. OpusClip reports it reduces production time by 90%, generating 15 to 20 viral clips in 10 minutes. Then feed those microclips into TikTok, Reels, Shorts, synthetic snippets of your masterclass. Tailor captions with Firefly's generative AI. Adapt tone per platform automatically. Splice 10-second hooks, 20-second insights, 60-second summaries. Cover all consumption habits and demands. Convert transcripts to blogs with Descript and Ahrefs for SEO-driven search rankings. Ahrefs data shows leveraging video key moments increases search traffic by up to 106%. Publish blog posts, embed audiograms, republish quotes on LinkedIn to boost engagement 5-fold. LinkedIn data confirms video posts get 5 times more engagement than text updates. Meta reports half of Facebook and Instagram usage is now video. Reels extraction is highest ROI. Canva's magic switch transforms one file into localized formats, over 100 variants instantly. You now have a pipeline: blogs, tweets, image quotes, audiograms, shorts, stories, ads. Manual editing will kill you. AI clipping cuts your workload by 90% in minutes. OpusClip and Munch seamlessly detect highlights, requiring zero human intervention whatsoever. Feed transcripts into Adobe Firefly for instant snippet generation and caption drafts. Descript's multimodal AI extracts audiograms and image quotes with one click. Canva Magic Switch automatically outputs social creatives in the perfect dimensions. Customization at scale, language localization, aspect ratio swaps, template adjustments in seconds. All tools integrate via API chains. You orchestrate clips like conductor of a symphony. Finance theory warns, if you ignore operational leverage, your margins implode under pressure. The global video editing software market will hit $3.5 billion by 2030 at 5.6% CAGR. Strategic AI adoption separates winners from legacy producers stuck in slow lanes. Time saved is time to pivot, iterate, and exponentially compound daily. 60-minute podcast transforms into 20 clips in under 10 minutes. Efficiency unlocked. Those clips feed your social calendar for weeks, maintaining publishing frequency seamlessly. 82% of marketers already repurpose content to hit high frequency without raising budgets. Automate or die. Every minute you waste is an opportunity for competitors to overtake. $1,000 video yielding 100 posts slashes effective cost per post to $10. Industry averages place single video production at 1K to 5K. Take that seriously. With repurposing, that 5K asset becomes an entire ecosystem instead of a single post. Cost per post drops to just $10 to $50 across all repurposed formats. ROI calculations shift. Time invested in one video now compounds daily and exponentially. Every micro post fuels the next insight, driving views, click-throughs, and conversion rates skyward. You stop churning one-off assets and start scaling a feedback-driven content machine systematically. Financial models love recurring outputs. You go from one data point to hundreds daily. Case study: a SaaS founder repurposed one webinar, doubled lead gen within 2 weeks. That founder saved $30K in video budgets and reclaimed 20 hours of editing time weekly. DME automation templates, workflows built on Airtable, Zapier, and cloud rendering farms. Refine conversion paths, embed CTAs inside clips, link cards to blogs, newsletters, products. Track performance per clip, kill underperformers instantly. Double down on high CTR hooks. Monthly ROI jumps by 5 to 10x when cost per click drops under 5 cents. Your financial runway extends as each clip pays forward into new audiences and conversions. Video is king of engagement, but SEO ensures those views compound over months and years. Transform transcripts into fully optimized blog posts that Google indexes with video key moments. Data shows this tactic can boost organic search traffic by up to 106%. Publish long-form transcripts as articles, pepper with image quotes, and CTAs for lead capture. Multilingual SEO is yours. Use AI translation to tap global audiences without extra shoots. Internal linking between clips, blogs, newsletters creates a content galaxy search engines crawl endlessly. Archive long-form interviews on YouTube. Embed summaries on your site. Drive subscriber growth. Wisel confirms 91% of businesses use video marketing. Multi-channel distribution wins top ROI. Embed social widgets for live view counts, spark FOMO, and reshare loops. Leverage Perspective's search features to stand out in a crowded video SERP. Use schema markup on embedded clips to signal search engines and boost visibility. Repurposed webinars on LinkedIn see a 10% year-over-year increase in shares. Organic reach compounds. 7-day spikes turn into evergreen traffic streams predictably. You're no longer chasing trends. You own lasting search equity and viewership permanently. Now build your authority moat. No competitor can replicate your multi-format castle walls. The next frontier is AI-driven personalization of repurposed clips to individual user behavior. Adaptive thumbnails change based on view patterns, boosting click-through rates instantly. Predictive AI suggests the next topic from performance data, closing the content loop. Integration with CRM pushes fresh clips into email sequences, nurturing leads on autopilot. Machine learning refines which hooks convert best by A/B testing thousands of variants. Prepare for immersive formats, VR clips, interactive stories in real time, adaptive storytelling engines. The moat becomes dynamic. Content evolves continuously as AI learns audience granular preferences. Global video editing software market projection of $3.5 by 2030 proves runaway demand. Canva, Adobe, Descript, and others are racing to embed AI pipelines deep in workflows. Ignore this evolution, and you'll be stuck filming while rivals automate at warp speed. Your future hinges on mastery of the content flywheel, not fire-and-forget uploads. Every channel, every platform, every algorithm shift is an opportunity if you're prepared. This is war for attention. Use tactic or face extinction, adapt or disappear. The average channel pumping 100 micro posts per release outpaces creators posting once weekly. Will you embrace the machine or be drowned by an avalanche of AI-powered competitors? Stop creating single assets in silos. Start building a cross-platform content engine today, relentlessly. Meta confirms 50% of time on Facebook and Instagram is now spent watching video. If you ignore this reality, your presence will vanish in an all-video world. Pick your pillar video. Map out 100 derivative pieces before you even hit record. Invest in AI toolchains now. Every day you delay is lost ground to smarter rivals. Sketch your weekly content calendar around atomic snippets, not monolithic and painful productions. Build a war chest of 30 15-second hooks, 30 60-second highlights, 40 image quotes. Launch across TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Reels, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram simultaneously all at once. Track engagement with real-time interactive dash in Looker, Tableau, or custom dashboards. Eliminate guesswork. Granular analytics show which snippet drove a sale or sign-up. Scale budgets on high ROI clips automatically via rules in your ad manager. Reinvest returns to fuel better production, ongoing experiments, rigorous, deeper data dives. Broadcast your process openly like Hormozy. Day-by-day iteration builds unstoppable lasting trust. Show your community the repurposing blueprint. They become co-creators and active amplifiers. The question isn't, can you execute this model? It's, will you survive without it?